The Director of Regional Institute of Medical Science, RIMS, Professor G. Sunil Sharma, inaugurated the first neuro navigation system of Manipur at SKTV's Operation Theatre Complex, RIMS, as second time in the Northeast states. The inaugural function was attended by Head of Neurosurgery, RIMS, Dr. Gojendro, and the staffs. Speaking on the occasion, Director of RIMS, Professor G. Sunil Kumar Sharma, assured that the neuro navigation system will be helpful during the surgery of brain or spinal cord, as it allows to perform safe operating without harming other structures. He further quoted that the system will be a boon for neurosurgeons and the public. He also affirmed that no charges will be taken from the patients for using neuro navigation system.
Neuro navigation system sina koi brain ki natrage spinal surgery to umatam da to river surgeon sing sina directly koi computer ki through sida yengaga brain manung da lai for example brain ki structure vein artery nerves adu mayam di am phajana uraga operation to umatam da lai structure sing da sok ta na mobile da yaw GPS system na koi global position system adu ki type to doi yam advantage lai ga technology ni masi to kan da koi surgery to ki complications me am handa doi tumor surgery am tawre aduda asai lairiba tumor si completely lauthokhraba adu khangba da help tawbani